Welcome to our Department of CSE. I am Vijay Lakshmi. I am going to present a lecture on cloud computing. First, we are going to see introduction of cloud computing. So, before that, what is computing? So, computing is the fastest way of calculation. There are various kinds of computing technology are available. In that, cloud computing is a rapidly growing technology nowadays. Most of the IT company and various organization sectors are belong to these technology only. And what is cloud computing? Cloud computing is nothing but it is based on virtualization method and shared pool of computing resources like network servers, storage, applications and services. So this is the definition for cloud computing. So cloud computing is purely based on virtualization method and shared pool of computing resources. So what is virtualization? Virtualization is nothing but multiple independent operating systems are operated in a single computer. So that is called as an virtualization. And then shared pool of computing resources, that is the cloud is shared every resources to the other kind of computer systems or other cloud servers also. So this is the definition for cloud computing. Now we are going to see the various aspects of cloud computing. So for cloud computing, the features are resource pooling, scalability, elasticity, load balancing, disaster recovery. So in these features, the main is elasticity and disaster recovery. So nowadays these two features are mainly used in many sectors or many organizations. So after that we are going to see deployment of cloud computing. The cloud is deployed in either public manner or private manner or hybrid. Hybrid is nothing but either public or private or both. So that is a hybrid. And community. Community is nothing but the single company or single shareholder use the public forum in a paid manner. So that is called as a community services. Okay, and next important one is service model. So service model we have three categories. One is IaaS, PaaS, SaaS. What is IaaS means? It is an infrastructure as a software, and another is a platform, and another is a software. So based on these services, the cloud computing is working. And the main challenges of cloud computing are security, privacy, compatibility and compliance. So these are the challenges are overcome by our cloud computing technology. And the stakeholders. So here the stakeholders. Here stakeholders is nothing but those who are using the cloud computing. They are called as a stakeholders. Here consumer is represented as a customer, and cloud service providers are called as third party entity who supplies a infrastructure or application software to deploy the cloud. And cloud service brokers, they are a IT or business model in which a company add one or more cloud services. Okay, so once again I am telling the cloud computing is purely based on virtualization concept, and it compared with other computing technologies, the virtualization is not present in that technology. So that only we are using cloud computing concept in nowadays. So these are the main features of cloud computing. So here the introduction is over. Thank you.